Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The IoT industry is expected to touch $1 trillion in next 3 years. The global IoT market will grow from worth $622 billion in 2020 to $1.077 trillion by 2024 with a CAGR of 13% over the period according to global data. The figure comes with the increasing development of wireless networking technologies, rise in cloud platform adoption, miniaturization, and the emergence of advanced data analytics are the factors that are driving the global IoT market. The other factors that are propelling the growth of the market include advancement in data analytics, computing economies, and demand from varied domains including manufacturing, automotive, energy, and others. IoT brings different physical objects to be linked by a common network. The IoT market is split into various major segments such as analytics, security, cloud mobile technologies, and platforms integration. Automation and cloud computing are major driving forces behind the IoT market. The issues such as security and privacy are restraining the market growth. Further, the IoT technology also assists in connecting various devices to provide ease in the operation and sharing of data amongst themselves. The IoT market caters to every sector from retail, energy, healthcare, infrastructure, and so on. Smartphones, wearables, and smart cities are the most effective and high-growth applications in the IoT market. Smart devices connected with the internet enable unified connectivity with people, things, and networks. These seamless network connections create an efficient and customized user experience for both end users and manufacturers. End-to-end security of IoT is critical for both device and network connection. However, today's IoT systems lack three crucial features. Firstly, unstructured and fragmented security regulations and major roadblocks to broader IoT adoptions, be it in consumers or enterprise or IoT. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. BharatPe joins the Unicorn Club, valuation touches $2.85 billion. Merchant payments and financial services provider BharatPe has raised $370 million in a primary and secondary mix as a part of a Series E funding round led by new investor New York-based Tiger Global Management. Its valuation rose more than threefold to $2.85 billion in 6 months. The company had raised $108 million in February this year at a valuation of $900 million. Ashneer Grover, the co-founder of BharatPe, will assume the role of managing director at the company and will continue driving its strategy, technology, and product functionings as well as managing capital fundraising. Supply chain cyber attacks expected to quadruple by 2021, says EU. The recent announcement by European Union Agency for Cybersecurity, that is ENISA, has found that 66% of supply chain attacks focus on the supplier's code. The supply chain attacks are projected to quadruple by the end of 2021 as compared to last year. Supply chain attacks have been a concern for cybersecurity experts for many years because the chain reaction triggered by one attack on a single supplier can compromise a network of providers. Accenture acquires Lextar to expand capabilities into IT benchmarking. Accenture has acquired Lextar, a consulting firm, to expand its capabilities into IT benchmarking, sourcing, and advisory. Lextar's benchmarking and advisory services, especially for cloud platform and application technologies, enable clients to make better, more informed decisions and vendors for their IT strategy. Terms of the transactions were not disclosed. Lextar's team of more than 60 professionals joined Accenture's technology strategy and advisory group. JioFiber users can benefit to make video calls from TV with their Android smartphones. JioFiber users can now make video calls from their TVs without requiring an external camera or webcam. Called Camera on Mobile, the new feature is available through the JioJoin app, previously named as JioCall, available for Android and iOS devices. It allows users to make their phone camera an input device for video calls. Customers can also use the JioJoin app on their mobile devices to make voice calls using their landline numbers. All you need to do is to configure your 10-digit JioFiber number to the JioJoin app to begin the new experience. Deloitte acquires business AE Cyber Solutions from AE Solutions. Deloitte announced its acquisition of the industrial cybersecurity business AE Cyber Solutions from Greenville SC-based Applied Engineering Solution Inc. AE Solutions. The deal will bolster Deloitte's existing cybersecurity offerings with the AE Cyber Solutions business well-tested frameworks, methodologies, and technology-enabled tools for industrial control systems or operational technology, that is ICS or OT security. The deal will also bring AE Cyber Solutions professionals who have deep experience in industrial sector, standards development, and risk advisory services. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.